Hey guys, Dan Frio here, the Mortgage Update, and today we're going to find out how you can get your true credit scores. So where we're at is, this is my website. I'm a mortgage broker in Chicago, Illinois, and my clients, here's what I say I do to a lot of the clients that call in and want pre-approved for a loan, but they're really hesitant on what their credit scores are. And most of them, probably 9 out of 10, if they do know their credit scores, where they get it from, Credit Karma. And here's why I don't like the system at all. And here's why I don't particularly like the system. So I have my clients go here. They click this link here, and it's themortgageupdate.net. They're going to go here and get the credit scores the lenders use. Here's why my clients are doing this. They're going to go, when they get to this page, they're going to go down here and click this link, and you might have gotten here in a different format. But why you're using this link is it's going to get you 20% off your order. Instead of $20, you're looking at $15 to get this service. And that's pure per bureau. There's actually three credit reports, believe it or not. TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. If you buy a bundled deal, I think it's like $40. It's well worth the money. Here's why. Here's what you get when you pull this report versus a Credit Karma. You're going to get a report that looks like this. Now, this is just one of the scoring systems. This one in particular is Equifax. And this person, actually, it's a friend of mine who has a Credit Karma score, and the average Credit Karma score was 670. Okay, so let's use that as our benchmark. So when we pulled this, it gave us this is the Equifax one. And again, there's 3 of them. Here's what you're going to see. This is a kind of a blended score. So let's not look at that. What we really want to be focus on is why are you pulling your credit score? What kind of lending are you trying to get? Here's a huge surprise that most people don't know. My clients do, because I inform them on these. So if you like this video, please subscribe below. But let's get back to it. On this case, if you scroll down and look through this area here, my clients are looking for a mortgage score. So again, our benchmark is 670. What's this score here say? 624. That's a huge variance. 670 versus 624. So the next thing we're going to do is, again, I want to inform you why this report or this system is the way to go. Here, if you're looking for a car loan, again, your Credit Karma is putting you at 670. Where's that score coming from? I don't know, but in this system, it's going to pull an old credit version. It's a FICO 5, and the new versions are 8. So some places are using 5, some places are using 8. And you'll see a huge difference here as well. Look here, the FICO 8 is giving you a 639 score. The FICO 5, 664. Again, our benchmark was 670 from Credit Karma. I have no idea where it's coming from. Go down through here, and now you have credit card scores. Here's your credit score scores. The 8 is a 615. The 5 is a 626. So, I mean, these are the variances. This is why I do not like Credit Karma. I do not want my clients using Credit Karma. And that's why I put together this video, as well as provided this link to you to get your true credit scores. And again, you can get by using my link, you're going to get a special price on this. Instead of $20, it's going to be $15, a 20% savings. Hey, every penny saved is, possibly an extra penny you can put down on that purchase of your new home. So I hope you find this informative. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe below. But if you would, please, if you really want to dig into your credit scores and you want to know your true credit scores, please make sure you use my system. So thank you very much. God bless. Have a great day.